Here goes!
Why, hello, Ernesto.
How we're cooking?
Oh, hang on, rabbit!
Don't go down! Whoa! This is aces!
I'm glad one of us is having fun! Let's go for a spin!
Oh, catch you later, Alice! Woo! Wow!
Oh! Save the buñuelos!
Hang tight, Your Majesty! Next stop, the kitchen! Quick, the stay put syrup! Pour, Your Majesty! Pour your heart out!
Here goes. Oh, Alice, you saved the palace. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Royal job with the syrup, Your Majesty!
Whoa, you
Aces!
did it! I admit, I have much to learn from you, Alice. And sometimes it's a royal idea to ask for help.
But Mama, can I just say, that was the most fun I've had cooking ever!
I think we've discovered a new tradition, baking as a family.
Henceforth, we shall bake as a family every Unday. Huzzah! Dinner is served.
Nothing beats a family recipe.
To the family!